everyone, thanks for stopping by. Watch Blue Line Barbecue's video. Today we'll be cooking a prime rib on the Weber kettle using the Only Fire charcoal basket. And the Tip Top temperature regulating accessory. We've used this one a lot and had really good luck with it. Cooking indirect. We're gonna season it with Blues Hog Bold and Beefy, Davis Seasonings Steak Rub, and Owens Barbecue Tatonka Dust. We got some Royal Oak charcoal in there. We'll be throwing some post oak wood chunks on. Cooking at 275. Should take about 3.5 to 4 hours. So we got our pit up to 275. Throw a couple wood chunks on here. There's the prime rib. We got a pan underneath there. Got our fireboard probe in here to read our temps. It's important to get the lid back on as soon as you can, because when that thing gets a bunch of air, fire likes to take off. You got our fireboard monitor. There's also an app for it. You can actually have a graph to see how it's doing throughout the cook. You can see there's some numbers on the dial. There's a temp chart on their website you can go off of. We're also using the new clips that they came out with to help hold it on. What we did to light it, lit a few coals, opened the bottom vent about halfway, got our tip-top temp where we wanted it, set it to the temperature we needed, and once it got to about 250, I closed the bottom vent. Now this thing will do the rest of the work. There's some adjusting will be needed to do throughout the cook. We'll check it again in about an hour. All right, here we are at the 1 hour mark. Looking pretty good. Probably getting a little dry, so we'll maybe spritz it a little bit and put the lid back on and let it keep going. Added some water to the water pan there. Temps were getting a little unsteady, so that'll help even them out a little bit. Here we are at the 1.5 hour mark. Looking pretty good. A little bit dark on this side, so we're gonna spin it around. I give it a little spritz. Looking a little bit dry. You can see water's boiling in there. Had to add charcoal. The stuff we're using sometimes burns up a little fast, but that's okay. We're at the 3 hour mark now. And we had some issues with our charcoal, so put a different brand in that should be a little more steady. The other ones, once they burnt down, they kind of lost temp and never really regained. Flipped it over, got bark on the other side, so we're gonna try and get some good bark on this side. Sitting at about 125 internal. So we brought our prime rib up to 135 internal. Now we're gonna wrap it, let it rest for 30 minutes, then we'll start carving it up.